Welcome to my new tutorial series. The Web Development. Web development is the creation of websites with lots of programming languages. In this video I will teach you how to create websites and publish them. JavaScript. It's like the brain of the website. It makes animations. Functionality. HTML is the front-end basic language for web development. The server is the place where we will publish the website after we finish it. Python. Easiest programming language for server development. We will create something like this. But of course in future episodes you will learn more than this. This is our process to create a website and I am going to show you in details later in the video. Open VS Code and create those files like me. Write what I'm writing. This is the title of the website. Call it whatever you want. H1 is a header that you insert text in it. So for example I'm going to insert, this is a header. The P tag stands for paragraph. I am going to insert in it, this is a paragraph. Let's import our files. To import a CSS file we type this and in the href section we write the path. To import a JavaScript file we fill the source section with our path. Go to Extensions and download Live Server so we can execute our website. Then go to our index.html file and right-click then click Run with Live Server, and here is our website. Go to index.css. The body thing stands for everything in the web page. So we can put backgrounds, colors and even fonts. H1 tag is only for all H1s in the page. Text align is where to align text. We can align it right, left or center. And the P tag is only for Ps in the page. The BR tag is to go into a new line. The button tag is to create a button. We can add an onClick, so we can add a function, test, to execute from the index.js file. Go to the index.js file and type this. The alert thing is to prompt a message for the user. Now, come back to the index.html and delete this. And write. The input is to take input from user. There is a lot of types: number, text, email. Now we will create a website that takes the age of someone, and if he is over 18 years old we will say that he is an adult. The placeholder is a text that makes the user understand what to insert in the input. Now let's create the check function. We will make a variable called age and get the age submitted in the input by the id that I am setting now. Then check if age is lower than 18. We will alert, you are not an adult. Then do the else statement and alert, you are an adult. Now let's test it. You can see it's working. Let's publish our website. Go to replit.com and create an account. But for me, I already have one, so I will log in. Here we are. Click on the plus icon top right. Select HTML CSS JS and call the website anything. Open the folder containing the files and drag them here. Then click Run. Then go to uptimerobot.com and create an account or log in. Click Add New Monitor. Select HTTPS and call it anything. Then click Create Monitor, and select Free Version and turn monitoring interval to 5 and uncheck these two and click Create. Now the website is published.